We'll demonstrate how the Simnovus ORU SIM solution is deployed in a virtual machine to validate a customer's DU and CU. This screen shows the status of the virtual machine and its current operational state. We'll use the robot framework to run a series of tests that include: Test 1, connecting to the V-ORUSIM. Test 2, verifying PTP synchronization. Test 3, attaching a simulated UE. Test 4, running Iperf Downlink and Uplink traffic tests. Let's execute the script and verify the results. First, the PTP is in sync with a low offset. Fronthaul stats indicate no errors, and all packets are on time. The UE is successfully attached and assigned an IP address by the core. Finally, the Iperf stats show peak throughput for both downlink and uplink. All test verifications from robot have passed successfully. The network topology below illustrates a scenario where multiple ORU SIM VM instances are created on a single server. Our ORU SIM on virtual machine is a step towards cloud-native ORU SIM. Optimized utilization of resources. Fully automated with APIs. Facilitates parallel test beds. Experience acceleration in validation.